Manage it.
Good morning. Today we'll be speaking about the French Revolution. French Revolution was a social and political movement that began in 1492. Oops. No, 1789, when the French people overthrew. Trying to find it here. Overthrew the absolute monarchy, and that laid the. I'm so sorry. I had a video here that I wanted. Laid the foundations for modern democracy. I'm so sorry.
Do you use audiovisual material in your history classes? Or in any class at all? On YouTube, you'll find a wide variety of videos with valuable content you can use to enrich your lessons. Easily organize them with manageYT. Group videos by topic. Add keynotes. Print them whenever you like. And create a resource collection you can use again and again. manageYT turns YouTube videos into real teaching resources that help your students understand the world today.
Manage it.